to irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 easy no gel natural hairstyles that you can make in under 10 minutes. These hairstyles are suitable for work and they're suitable for general everyday life. As you watch this video, if you like the video, please make sure to let me know by clicking the thumbs up sign. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe, and if you like YouTube to tell you when I post new videos, then turn on the notification bell. So I'll just leave you now to enjoy the video. And yeah, the hairstyles are easy to create, so there isn't much explaining to do. As I said, you can create each hairstyle in under 10 minutes. So without much ado, enjoy.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be. I used to be ashamed, alone and just afraid, in misery. But I'll leave it all behind. I've got a brand new mind when you're with me. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
And that's it for these 3 easy natural hairstyles that you can wear to work and you can wear just every day. You don't need any gel to create these hairstyles, and you only need to just manipulate your hair slightly. You don't need to comb your hair, finger detangling is fine. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like it. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.